What's up logical people, this is Amar. It's a very tricky brain teaser. 6 coins are arranged as shown. Your task is to make a hexagon with these coins in just 3 moves. A move should consist of sliding of a coin and placing it where it can touch 2 other coins. A coin should not disturb other coins while moving. For example, this is a good move. But this is an illegal move because the coin is placed where it doesn't touch 2 other coins. It's touching only 1 coin. Another example, this one is also a good move, as the coin can be easily moved out without disturbing other coins. But this is an illegal move because the coin disturbs other coins while we try to move it. You must give this challenge a try. Please get 6 coins to try it out or simply use pen and paper. Pause the video and think logically. The winner of the last video was Manish, who got the free gift coupon. A hexagon has 6 vertices. So try to visualize an incomplete hexagon in this image and try to complete it with minimum number of moves. For example, this might become a hexagon in 3 moves as we already have 3 coins on its vertices. We can move this coin here where it touches 2 other coins. Then we can move this coin here. But here comes the real issue that we cannot move out the central coin as it will disturb other coins. And if you think about moving the central coin first in this position, then the problem is that it will not touch 2 other coins when it's moved here. So overall, the major challenge is that we cannot move out the central coin easily. To resolve this problem, let's visualize a hexagon in a different position. Here we need just 2 coins on the remaining vertices. But again, we face exactly the same 2 issues as we saw before. We cannot move the central coin as it will disturb others. And we cannot move the central coin first in this position because it won't touch 2 other coins. But the good thing about the position of this hexagon is that it just needs 2 coins on the remaining vertices. So we have a scope of 1 extra move that can become our winning move. And here is a winning move. Now the central coin can be moved out without disturbing other coins, and it can be placed where it touches 2 other coins. And finally, this can be placed in the last remaining vertex of the hexagon. Let's watch the moves again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and share the video. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and stay updated with a new logic every week. Till then, give a try to these quick and tricky brain teasers. Also check out difficult puzzles on my channel, Logically Yours.